Namasabhaye, Namo Gurubhyaha. As Shivani Madam was entered with Sambhasha, I want to show you Sambhasha, the tool. So I want to show, I know the time is already very late, even though I want to show 2-3 tools from Sambhasha, and I want to convey some ideas, that's all. Sambhasha is a web portal which is developed by Karnataka Sanskrit University, and it is a team of research scholars who are developed this web tool. Here we can see so many tools, and the first tool is Mahakosha. Mahakosha is a concept of collection of all koshas. According to M.M. Patkar, there are 80, more than 80 koshas which are from various disciplines like Ayurveda, synonymous koshas, homonymous koshas, polysemous koshas, and koshas for particular grammatical rules, grammatical forms, as well as for Ayurvedic medicinal plants and properties of medicinal plants, etc. There are so many koshas are created on so many particular subjects. So all these are traditional, all these are constructed on the traditional way in sloka form. All these 80 koshas are created. So as my PhD, I have developed an Amarakosha interface. It is available in Samsadhani website by University of Hyderabad. The interface is like this. Here we can see so many options. And in the first option, which is I have given the input as Mekha, and it shows the synonymous words which are in the meaning of Mekha, and here we considered if all the words are connected each other, like that we considered here all the synonyms are equal, even though we have selected one word as a head word to represent this syntax. So like that, and also we can get the ontological classification of each word which are there in Amarakosha, so that we will get here. Also, so many semantic relations are there, but avayava avayavi relation, para parajati relation, pati patni relation, janya janaga bhava, putra pita putra relation, sevaka swaswami relation, swami sevaka relation, etc. So many relations are there, and also so many relations are there in each kosha, and prominent relations are marked here according to Amarakosha. So this is one tool, and also we can get the pictorial representation of each word like this. Here Mekha is the word, and the word is connected with so many other words like a web through a particular semantic relation. So we can make a picture like this. So I'm telling about a single kosha, Amarakosha. So like this, more than 80 koshas are there in our traditional way. So koshas are created in a particular way that the author says about the word, and he concludes the concept in concept there. After concluding the concept, he comes to the next concept. That is the way the koshas are created. So these are a kind of a knowledge representation. So keeping this in mind, we try to create Mahakosha with all the koshas. So what are the advantages of creating these koshas? Means we can, like what Arnabji started with the Pandu. If we will search for Pandu, we will get all the related words with Pandu while creating this kosha. And also we can get the Pita Putra Sambandha kind of relations from this data set. So we can extract it and use it for the tools and all. And this is for Mahakosha. And another tool is Ayu Sanskritam. This is actually created for Ayurveda students. Ayurveda students are studying Sanskrit as well as Ayurveda. So even though they don't have time to study full Ayurveda Sanskrit traditionally, so we tried here as Ayu Sanskritam to build a bridge between Sanskrit and Ayurveda using Ashtanga Hridaya as a model. So we created, this is a tool for Ayu Ashtanga Hridayam. Here we can see, while clicking on the samasa, on the word, we can see the picture of samasas like this. Samasas in splitted way, and also the vigraha of the samasa. Also we can see here the sandhi output, the which sandhi is happened here, and what is the rule for that sandhi, and also anvaya is also we can see here. The another and also while doing this Ashtanga Hridayam, we got some statistics that we got almost all the verb forms from Vidhiling part. So for Ayurveda students, we can teach Vidhiling as first, and while they can understand Ayurveda text while using Vidhiling meaning and Vidhiling forms. And after that we got some prominent verb form as lat form. Lat and Vidhiling, while teaching the verb forms for Ayurveda students, we can concentrate on lat and Vidhiling forms, as well as that akara and the pullinga are the most commonly used words there. Jakaranda, takaranda, etc. are very rarely used, so we can avoid all those forms. So that was our conclusion. Like that, in samasas, we came across Itaretara Yoga Dvandva was the prominent samasa commonly used in Ayurveda Ashtanga Hridaya, and Upapada Tatpurusha was the another common combination. So this is another web tool which is developed for students who are studying studying Tarka Sangraha. This is a very basic tool. Here we can see that Padartha, the division of Padartha, and the division of Dravya again, While clicking on each word, we will get the definition. Like that, we can go further. Like that, this is a tool, and another tool is Avyaya Chitranam tool. So this tool helps us to create Anvaya Chitranam tool, Anvaya in picture format. So here I have already given because of time lacking. So here this is Ekasmin Vane Ekaha Simhaha Asi. It is already tagged here. We can tag manually. Otherwise, we can generate this. It itself generates this picture like that. Here, Ekaha Simhaha. Ekaha is the Visheshanam of Simha, and Simha is the Karta of Asi, and Vane is the Adhara of Asi, and Ekasmin is again the Visheshana of Vane. So I would like to conclude with these tools. There are so many other tools you can visit, and you can just go through the site. I would like to thank the organizers to arranging this wonderful workshop. Thank you.